Dear students, Tenses Academy is presenting a series of visual self-tests of tenses. Since exams will be held on laptop screens in the future, so our academy has decided to facilitate these students. This is aqeel. Let's start our today's self-test. I dash posted the letter already. Choose the correct helping verb. Have.
I have posted.
We have dash the zoo many times before. Choose the correct form of verb. Visited.
We have visited.
He has dash his breakfast. Taken.
He has taken.
She dash 3 cups of tea already. Has finished.
She has finished.
They have dash at the railway station. Arrived.
They have arrived.
Nadia dash 5 breads so far. Has cooked.
Nadia has cooked.
You dash your room yet. Have cleaned.
You have cleaned.
Ahmad dash in this office for 10 years. Has worked.
Ahmad has worked.
The police have dash the thieves. Arrested.
The police have arrested.
We have just dash our homework. Completed.
We have just completed.